Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that can truly elevate your cooking experience, the Cuisinart 7-Cup Sleek Food Processor with Universal Blade. We found this product online and included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart 7-Cup Food Processor? This sleek, modern appliance is designed to simplify food preparation. With its impressive 7-cup capacity, it offers ample space for processing a variety of ingredients, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Whether you're chopping vegetables, mixing dough, or shredding cheese, this food processor is equipped to handle it all with ease. Let's talk about some of its standout features. One of the most notable aspects of this food processor is its user-friendly control buttons. It has a simple on and pulse/off option, which makes it incredibly easy to operate, even for those who may not be tech-savvy. The design ensures that you can quickly switch between modes without any fuss, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Another impressive feature is the fine and medium reversible shredding/slicing disc. This means you can easily adjust the thickness of your slices or shreds, which is perfect for creating a variety of textures in your dishes. Whether you need thin slices for a salad or thicker shreds for a casserole, this food processor has you covered. The Universal Blade is another critical component of this appliance. It's designed for chopping, mixing, and even making dough. This multifunctionality truly sets this food processor apart from the rest. Imagine being able to chop onions, mix cookie dough, and blend up a quick pesto all with the same tool. It's convenient and saves you time and effort in the kitchen. Now, who is this food processor suitable for? If you're an occasional cook or someone who enjoys experimenting with new recipes, this appliance is perfect for you. It's also great for busy families who need to prepare meals quickly during the week. With its efficient design and versatile capabilities, it can help you whip up meals in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. Let's discuss some practical use cases for the Cuisinart 7-Cup Food Processor. You might find it particularly useful when preparing ingredients for a big family dinner. Imagine chopping up a mountain of vegetables for a stir-fry or shredding cheese to top off your homemade lasagna, all done in minutes. It's also fantastic for meal prep. You can slice and store ingredients for the week ahead, making it easier to cook nutritious meals without the hassle. Baking enthusiasts will appreciate the ability to mix dough effortlessly. Whether you're making bread, cookies, or pastries, the Universal Blade allows for a consistent texture, ensuring that your baked goods turn out perfectly every time. And let's not forget about the ability to create homemade sauces and dips. The Cuisinart can help you blend ingredients for guacamole, hummus, or even a quick salsa. Lastly, this food processor comes with a limited 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind in your purchase. Cuisinart is known for its quality, and this warranty reflects their commitment to customer satisfaction. In conclusion, the Cuisinart 7-Cup Sleek Food Processor with Universal Blade is a powerful addition to any kitchen, perfect for anyone from novice cooks to seasoned chefs. Its user-friendly design, impressive features, and versatility make it a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,